Today we're doing party wings on the SmokeSlinger. Simple, hot, wood-fired wings. The kind that disappear, when folks come over. So, folk, I'm going to bring you back. Hold tight. All right, folk, I'm back. Hey, you know where you at? You're here at Carlton's Cooking. So you know what? Today, we're going to keep it laid back. We're going to do real fire, real food, and we're going to get to these wings, folk. So I'm going to get these wings together in my ingredients, and I'll bring you back. All right, folk, I'm back. Hey, as you can see, I put these wings in a larger container where I can get them seasoned better. And we're going to be using simple seasoning today, nothing fancy. I'm going to be using some olive oil, if you can see that, folk, just some olive oil. I'm going to be using some of this chicken seasoning right here. There'll be a link in the description for it. And I'm going to be using this Kinder's buttery garlic herb. This is readily available at Walmart. So those are the ingredients, folks. So first what I'll do, I got my wings. They're all washed and clean. I bought whole wings and I separated them myself. They're a little less expensive and sometimes you get bigger wings that way. So I'm going to get a little oil on them. There we go. Then I'm going to get that oil worked around. Get them all coated in that oil. Yep. All right, I got them all coated in that oil. Now, I'm gonna take this seasoning, no measuring on this, just season until your heart's content. I'm gonna move around here so I'm not blocking the camera. Get a good coating. You want your wings seasoned well so that flavor can penetrate. So I got that, good amount. And now I'm gonna get this Kinder's brand new bottle, so I gotta open it up. All right, this Kinder's buttery garlic herb. Get that on there, a good coating of that. That looks good for now. Now I'm gonna start mixing. Get this all mixed up. That's what we're doing. We're seasoning people. Yep. Get these wings all coated in the seasoning. And after I get them all coated up in the seasoning, I'm gonna let them sit here and rest and let that season penetrate while the SmokeSlinger, I fire it up and bring it up to temp. So folk, after this is all coated well, it's gonna sit here. And when I'm ready to fire the SmokeSlinger up, I'll bring you back. All right, folk, as you can see, I got the SmokeSlinger set up with some charcoal, some B&B briquettes on the bottom. Got me a split of cherry wood on there, getting all lit up. She's coming up to temp, getting hot. And while it's doing that, as you can see here, I got the SmokeSlinger set up. Direct heat right here over the fire. And on this side, I got the tuning plates in for a cooler side. So when I need to move my wings around on the SmokeSlinger to get them off that direct heat to let them continue to cook without burning on the cooler side, that's how I got it set up. So folk, once I'm ready to get these wings on here, I'll bring you back. All right, folk, I'm back. All right, I got the SmokeSlinger up. We got a good, clean, hot fire going. Now I'm gonna get these wings on here, people. We're gonna get these wings on here skin side up first. Just get them on best we can. Skin side up. We're gonna get it loaded up. That's what we're doing. I'm not gonna talk a lot while I'm getting it loaded up. I just wanna get them on here the right way that I wanna orient them. So right now I'm just gonna get it loaded. Then I'll talk about it in a minute. All right, folks, so just so everybody can see, that right there, that's about 10 pounds of wings on that one side. We got that whole other side left. So, folks, if you really want to load the SmokeSlinger up, you can easily get 20 pounds of wings on one rack. So folk, I'm gonna get the lid shut, let these wings get to going, and once they make some progress in 10 or 15 minutes, I'll bring you back. All right, folk, it's been about 15 minutes. We're gonna give these wings a check since we're cooking over direct heat and high heat. We're at about 350 right now on temp. So let's see what we got. Oh yeah, look at that color starting to get there, folk. Yep. Getting some beautiful color, people. These ones in the middle will probably be have more color. Oh, I'm getting color all the way around. Yes, I am. This is a part of a cook like this. When you do your first flip, you start to get to see where your hot spots are on a direct fire, and you can adjust your proteins accordingly based on how things are looking. But right now, I'm leaving things just like they are. I'm just giving them a flip over. And once I give them a flip, I'll check them in another 10 minutes and we'll go from there. All right, folks, let me just give you a look after I've given them a flip. There you go. There they go, people. Looking amazing, looking amazing. So, folks, I'm gonna let them go about 10 minutes, and then after that, I'll bring you back. All right, folks, I'm back. If you can see here, these wings are looking amazing. I'm gonna do me a temp check on them. See what we got. That one's showing 180, 185, 189, 200. Oh yeah. You know what, folks? These wings are done. These wings took cooking time 30 minutes. 30 minutes cooking time, and we got these wings done here on the SmokeSlinger on this direct heat. So if you got a big party and you want to cook a bunch of wings, you can't go wrong with doing them on the SmokeSlinger float. Bring that back out, and look at that. So I'm gonna get these wings off here, get them panned up, plated up, and then once I do that, folk, I'll bring you back. All right, folk, that's it. Look at that. That's wings, party wings on the SmokeSlinger, folk. Delicious, tender, juicy wings, smoked to perfection, done in 30 minutes. So, folk, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get me a wing. We're gonna get a taste test of them, and then we're gonna wrap this video up. And once I get ready for that, I'll bring you back. All right, folk. Hey, that's gonna wrap up this video. We're gonna get this taste on this wing. See what we're working with. I let it cool off a little bit so I don't burn my mouth, but let's see here. Delicious tender wing, folk. Delicious. So, folk, that's gonna be it for this video. If you need wings to go to a party, cookout, game day, whatever you need them for, you can't go wrong with these wings. If you like what you saw in this video, people, if you would, hit that thumbs up, hit that like, hit that subscribe, share this video so I can continue to grow. And folk, I sure appreciate you hanging with me on these wings on the SmokeSlinger. And folk, and as I always say, keep on cooking.